Hey guys, it's Roxy with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel where I'm all things musical theater and I truly believe in breaking things down. So if you've been watching Wednesday on Netflix, you know that all the craze right now is the Wednesday Addams dance, choreographed by Jenna Ortega, who stars as Wednesday. And I have seen this all over social media. Everybody from celebrities to dancers to kids, everybody's doing it. And some people are doing it to the song they use in the show, which is Goo Goo Muck by the Cramps. And some people are doing it to this Lady Gaga song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply break down the dance to counts. So if you want to learn the one that Jenna Ortega choreographed, stick with me. We're going to learn it. All right. So she starts out with 8 shoulders, just like a little pulsating shoulders. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And she does this little like broken doll thing. She flips her hand over and the other one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Lets it slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then she turns away from her date. She goes upstage. Well, I say upstage. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But she turns back around on 7, 8. Then she brings up her fists. She makes like fists, and she brings up her arms really strong. And she has this little like pulsating, like she's kind of getting punched in the stomach, and she bends her knees. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then she gets a little looser, and she throws her head back, and her arms swing a little looser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the last one, it's both arms go up. 7, 8. Then she turns forward, and she throws her arms and her legs, arms and legs. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then she stands still. 5, 6, 7, 8. I really like this that she did. It's very, very symbolic of her character. She really stayed true to her character in that she used a little bit of 60s influence, which is when the sitcom originated. But I like that she threw in a little bit of musical comedy too, musical theater dance style. All right, going on. After she just finished 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She does that little twist step to the side. She makes fists again. Her arms are perpendicular to the floor, and she goes up on her toes, and she twists sideways, and she looks to the right while she does it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then she gives a nod to her friend Thing with the fingers. It's edited in the show. She goes 1, 2, taps her date, looks 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next part is edited. They're looking at different characters in the show, but she comes back starting the dance again. And this time her hands are tucked behind her back. They're a little bent. And she starts like this strut step with her knees very high. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I call it like this hypnosis arms. She's got like a pulse to it. And she does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on 7, 8, she swings her arms around her and she turns 7, 8, and she falls. She collapses. And then she brings her fingers up almost like she's feeling electrical shock sensations. In the show, she does have like these sort of like, she falls into these trances. She kind of gets like a shock and goes into these trances. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and she sees visions. So her head goes back, and she does like the twist. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then she gets focused again, and her hands are kind of stiffer now, like little monster fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I call this the Bob Fosse walk because it's very all that jazz. So she does 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5, her head goes to the side like it's almost like a broken neck. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love all the little details she put into it. Then from there, she does the twist again, but her arms are looser at the side now, and she's a little hunched over, and she's just got like a little beat going. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She does a little like maracas thing with her arm, and it's 2, 1, 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then she collapses again, 5, 6, and she comes up to that little Spanish flamenco pose where she goes with the hips. And that is a step ball change, and your hips kind of rock almost in a figure 8 pattern. So it's 1 and 2. She goes down. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. She takes a bow almost. 5, 6, and she comes up with a flare like that's right. Wednesday Addams. 7, 8, and it ends on a goo-goo muck. All right, and that is the dance broken down. 2 counts. All right. So just from the beginning to regroup, and I'll walk you through it. Starting with the shoulders, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And thing 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Edit to the next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hypnotize. 2, 3, 5, 6. Whirl. 7 and 8. Electric. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. FOSSE. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maracas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spanish. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wednesday, a goo-goo muck. There you go. Okay, I hope you like that. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. And I'll see you in the next.